Stop wriggling. You're going to piddle on me in a minute, aren't you? We'll put you in the water. Ready? Here we go. Sploosh. Put your arms down. Come on. Put your arms down. Relax. There we go. How's that? No, I like him up there, he says. Ooh. Nice bath. We like a bath, don't we? Like a bath. Yes, we do. Where are you going? Come on, put your arms down. Have a splash. Splish, splish, splish. What's that? What are you doing there? Come on then, Mum. Get him.